Do you guys know that you pay taxes every single day? Now you're concerned, Arey bhai, what are you saying? We pay taxes only on a monthly basis when we get a salary or after the financial year. Yeah, you are right. That taxes is called as direct tax. Again, you will have a question. No, that is income tax, you will say. Whereas on a daily basis, you buy a packet of chips, you buy a food at restaurant, whatever you buy, right? For everything you pay taxes, which is called as inclusive of all taxes. Exactly. So basically, taxes are of two types. One is direct tax, another one is indirect tax. What about income tax? Yes, good question. Whatever the taxes we pay, when we make money, it is called as income tax. Whatever the taxes we pay, when we spend money, it is called as indirect taxes. That is something which we use on a daily basis. That's called as GST. I believe you guys have a basic idea about what is direct and what is indirect tax. Do you guys know that even on a milk and curd, there is a GST? If you guys don't know, figure it out. To figure it out, follow iProledge.